What's up, everybody? I'm gonna take a trip to the post office. Thought you guys might want to tag along with me. I'm on my Yamaha C3 Scooter. I'm gonna take the scenic route. Yeah, so we're just cruising East Tennessee, Knoxville. It's been raining for about the past 3 or 4 days off and on, so I haven't been able to get out on the scooter. So I can't wait. This thing is so good on gas, easily 100 miles a gallon. It's got fantastic storage capacity. Really, so I've just went over 2,000 miles. I bought the scooter at 600 miles. I've had absolutely no problems with this thing, and I love it. It's one of my best purchases, without a doubt. I did a few little upgrades, but really it's mostly stock. It's pretty easy to work on. The few things I have tried to do, oil change, variator weights, air filter. There's a few things I want to tackle. I'll probably make some videos on those things. So right now, 28 miles an hour, full throttle, basically been going uphill the whole time. So 25 and 30-ish is probably your uphill speed. So being in a giant rush is probably not something you want in a 49cc scooter. But I will say the advantage of having to go uphill means there's some downhill. So from here out for a good ways, I will pick up most of that speed that I lost. I should pick up. Now this thing can pick up to me around 45, 49 miles an hour. And I'm pretty much full throttle all the time. It's not, I'm laying off here a little, but it's not often, you know, you get to go full steam ahead. In a car, most of the time you have to kind of just use a little. But on this scooter, it's nice. You're going absolutely as fast as you can, most of the time. So that's fun. I'm trying to think, you know, where would a scooter not be good for if the weather was, you know, the climate was right? Like whether you're straights or hills, I think as long as you have pavement, you're good to go. And I would argue that this thing with the right tires could be a decent little off-roader. I mean, nothing crazy, but this is kind of the Swiss Army knife of freaking scooters, if you ask me. And I'm a Swiss Army knife fan, so naturally this thing is, maybe I should, you know, they have it in color red, that Swiss Army red, that might be pretty sick. This scooter comes in blue, red, I've seen black, yellow, I've seen a bunch. But the silver, to me, there's something about the silver that's just, I don't know, it's almost business-like. I don't know, I can't quite explain it. Hell, let's go this way. So yeah, I mean, I've been living in East Tennessee. My family is from the kind of the South, you know, North Carolina area. So I've been around this my whole life. I mean, I grew up in Germany, but we would always visit. So the mountains and all this shit, it's to me nothing new. And living in Germany, damn, you know, some serious mountains over there. I've been fortunate, really. But I figure, you know, I make these scooter videos. Some people never even seen a mountain in their life, never been on a hill, curvy ass road. Which is strange to think about. But I will honestly, I have gone on YouTube and watched some GoPro footage of people in like India and other places, and it's a trip, man. Like, we have like 4 lanes and like room for a big ass car on each one, and they're like flying around fucking animals in the fucking road, and just, they're like beep 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 beep, boom, like 1 inch of room in between damn cars. Pretty impressive. I mean, but yeah, so I'm heading to the post office. I quit my freaking job 8 months ago plus, and I have been buying and selling on eBay, Facebook, hustling, and I have no kids, no debt, no medical shit, cars are paid off, no pets. So all I have to come up with is rent and food and bills, which is not that easy to do, but anyway, every day I take whatever I sell to the post office. So this is a trip that I take, if I'm lucky, every day. But this is a different route than I would normally take. Or route. Is it route or route? What do you guys say? What's the best route or what's the best route? Like a tree has roots and you would route a map. Or you would root for a team. Like I root for that team. We have routes here. But directionally, I guess it's a route. You run a route. I don't know. I love this scooter. I'm telling you guys, I can't explain it, how awesome it is to ride a scooter. You feel the wind, the breeze. You're getting like vitamin D. Well, at first, see, I was like, man, I'm always gonna wear a jacket and always gonna wear long pants. But once it hit the 90s, I was like, so now I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. I do have a full face helmet. I would not ride in an open face helmet for nothing, or without a helmet, no fucking way. So I definitely go full face. And I wear glasses so I can have the visor up, get some wind. And yeah, I've also been using this GoPro 9, and it's okay for what it is. Like, if I was born in '72, and when me and my buddies would go on trips and go freestyling, dude, we did some crazy shit. And none of us, I mean, all you had was a camera. You couldn't even lug a big ass video camera around. So people are really lucky, man, to have these iPhone cameras and the GoPros, super zooms, shit that you can just go buy in a paycheck or something. Yeah, man, that's awesome. But I'm like a kid still, so I'm using the GoPro, the scooter. And the thing about Knoxville, though, really, there's a lot of nature and lakes and outdoor shit. It's like one of the most top in the world mountain bike places here. Like, it's legit, for real. But just going around town, there's not that much. You don't see that more outdoor shows and bands and just, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm not looking for it. That's what the GoPro, I'm trying to, like, maybe I'm missing stuff. But I would like to document Knoxville in a more exciting way. I'm not sure exactly how to do that. There's a lot of restaurants, hospitals, churches. Not that exciting. I wish there was like a horse racing track here or Six Flags. They did open a Top Golf. I may go do a, actually, you know what, guys? I may go do a Top Golf when they finally open it up, do a review. I've never even been to a Top Golf. I'm playing a golf again. Yeah. If you like golf, make sure to stay with my channel because I'm going to try to put some golf stuff up. Real golf, not just a guy giving theory in a yard, not actually hitting a ball. Like, I'm really going to talk about some stuff that works and stuff that doesn't, and show my real shitty ass swing and my shitty shots. Anyway, well, the post office is right here, gang. I guess I'm gonna call it. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Peace out.